Okay, I got one cooked here, another one uncooked. So I had someone ask me about the flamethrower. So let me get this sucker up, get it on the grill. Now I warmed that grill. I light it on fire for a while just to get it hot so it's sterile. And I'll light my flamethrower and I'll do the whole thing. This way you can see how long it takes in real time. Looks pretty good for the first side. And you notice how it went all the way around it. Now flip it over and do the rest. And that's it. So you see that I'm going to put this down here, shut it off. I like a little char on mine, and we got some good light out here, so that's about how it is all the way around. Now I'll put it in here, which I have some fat in there already, and I'll take some of that fat, that Wagyu fat that I have, and I kind of smear it around on here and let it melt. And you see I got a lot of juice in the bottom. I put some fat in there on the other one. I grabbed a little bit too much out of the pail or jar, whatever you want to call it, earlier. So might as well use it. I'm not putting it back. And it really just helps have a super moist steak. Didn't really change any flavors or anything like that, but that's it. You'll see when I cut these open how good they look, and that fat just kind of, I don't know, it just really makes it taste really, really good. Anyways, you'll see here the finished product in just a minute. Okay, now here's the finished product. Even though the outside was charred, it looks, you know, perfectly beautifully red in the interior. That's it.